Welcome to the KINON Virtual Showroom and VR Store. Our Virtual Showroom and VR Store is intended to enhance your KINON experience by making it more interactive and intuitive. Users can now easily browse our Virtual Showroom and KINON's wide selection of innovative surface designs and furnishings quickly and efficiently. To use this interactive, Virtual Showroom experience, click and drag on the image to change your orientation. Use the green navigation arrows located on the floor to move throughout the showroom and move closer to any surface that you wish to inspect closer. When you see the gold arrow appear on any surface, click on it to take a closer look at the desired surface. You can click on the magnifying glass if you wish to learn about a specific pattern or color details. KINON also offers a wide selection of KINON lifestyle furnishings. Throughout our Virtual Showroom, you can click on any KINON product when you see the information icon to learn more about that particular product or service. You can jump to any position throughout the Virtual Showroom using the control panel located at the bottom of the tour. Just open the gallery and select your desired location. If you want to just thumb through the different patterns and color selections, you can easily sift through our selection of stylish patterns quickly, just using the navigation arrows located on your control panel. If you see the video icon, you can select that icon and watch an informational video about that item or service. To the left are some helpful tools while you enjoy your virtual visit. At any time you may select to have a style book or sample box to be sent directly to you. We hope that this Virtual Showroom and VR Store experience makes your interaction with KINON an easier one. Please enjoy, and you can always contact us through our website at kinon.com.